House versus villa. What's the difference? Simple explanation for home buyers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered what's the real difference between a house and a villa? They might look similar, both are homes, but the difference lies in lifestyle, luxury, and location. Let's break it down simply. Difference between house and villa. 1. Definition. A house is a general term for any building where people live. It can be an independent home, an apartment, or even a duplex. A villa, on the other hand, is a luxury-style independent home, usually designed with modern architecture, open spaces, and premium amenities. 2. Location. Houses can be found in both cities and towns, in regular residential areas. But villas are often located in upscale neighborhoods, gated communities, or resort-style townships, offering more privacy and exclusivity. 3. Cost and maintenance. A normal house is usually more affordable and easier to maintain, while villas come with a higher price tag, since they include larger spaces, gardens, private parking, and often shared luxury facilities like clubhouses or swimming pools. Design and space. Houses come in different shapes and sizes, sometimes simple, sometimes elaborate. But villas are known for their premium design, spacious layouts, private lawns, and sometimes even personal pools. 5. Lifestyle. Living in a house focuses on comfort and practicality. Living in a villa is more about luxury living, more space, privacy, and a touch of elegance. Conclusion. So, to sum it up, a house is a home for comfortable living. A villa is a statement of luxury and exclusivity. Whether you choose a house or a villa, the real beauty lies in making it your home. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.